This is a very interesting trade. There's a lot to show. So we had our little upsurge on that stochastic crossover. What we're looking for here is for it to print 1239.75. We're looking for this little red bar that's forming on the 5 to bust that prior bar low. You can see it's having trouble doing so, but if it does, that could kick off the little selling rally that we're looking for here, and still down in this position. So not every trade I'm going to show you is total slam dunk piece of cake. Some of them you need some patience on, and obviously have to have the technical knowledge to feel as though you're still in the right position, even if it may be going against you slightly. So in any case, go back to this 5 real quick, and if I can. And again, you can see that red bar is trying to form. It did downtick. It did make it down to 39.75. So I'm going to keep it tuned in here just for a second, and let's see if it, having touched that price, kicks off just a little bit more selling. And that's what we're looking for. And just a little bit of a downside run here if we can catch it. And it's got to break that little moving average support that's beneath it as well. Interesting market this morning. So this was a great trade to show, and you get to see what a choppy market looks like. A lot of buyers, a lot of sellers. When you see it moving in a range like this, it doesn't mean there's not a lot of volume. There's $40 billion per day being traded in this in the E-mini S&P 500. So it's huge volume. It's just there's so many people trading all over the world, institutions. The numbers are so big that sometimes you get a little bit of a choppy market. Get a lot of people believing two different things, obviously. As is the case with a trade. Bring up an interesting point here. Sometimes when folks are trading, they think that you're buying and selling from some endless, vast warehouse. And it's the same with stocks, even though I don't trade stocks. Same with stocks. People think they're buying stocks from some warehouse of stock. Stock are us. And in reality, what you're doing is you're trading with somebody else. In order for you to buy, somebody else has to be a seller. In order for you to sell, there has to be a buyer. Got to have both sides of the trade. You're actually literally trading with someone else. So in any case, just a little had a moment to expound on that, or babble on that for a second. So wanted to make mention of that. But in any case, we're not seeing our little red bar forming here, and if we do get a turn, should be a pretty swift one. But it's there's a lot of buying strength down here still. So we'll be back.